Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and active notes in Messenger. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, we're simply going to go ahead and step into our video. For the matter, what you're going to do, simply going to go ahead first access your Play Store and go to search bar and type in Messenger and simply search it up. And then go ahead, tap on it, and you see if your app is not updated, that it is really obvious for you to encounter, because simply saying your app is not updated, so all the updates that has came newly, freshly, you won't have them. So make sure you have update option. If it does, simply tap on it and update your app, and then you will be good to go. Other thing would be accessing your settings app and going to this option called apps right over here and finding your particular app from this list. And then here in this section, you're going to go ahead, tap on the storage option, where you will find this option called clear data and clear cache. We tap on this clear cache, remove all of our unnecessary caches that our app has kept for it to work a little slow or have some lags and errors. Once we are done, we're going to go ahead, remove it, and again reinstall our app if it doesn't work that way either. Then afterwards, open your Messenger app up, and you will be able to find the notes over there in top of the people's profile. That is how you can do it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.